One day, I went to Korean restaurant with my friend, and this is what happened. Yo, this is the first time to come to Korean restaurant. Thanks, man. It's okay. Have you decided? Let me see. I want this 잡채. 이모, 여기 잡채 하나랑 김치찌개 하나 주세요. 잡채는 고기 빼고 비건으로요. Wow, did you order all of this? Mate, I don't have money for this. Don't worry, it's on me. This is my shot. What? Thank you, I appreciate it. So, if you've been to Korean restaurant, you may be surprised with many side dishes on the table. Even you didn't order them. And you're surprised again when you find out those side dishes are actually free. Ooh. Well, that is Korean style dining. But do you want to know why Koreans have so many side dishes? That is Korean ancient mystery. Korean. Ancient mystery. But I can explain to you. So, let's start. Okay, first of all, in Korea, we call those side dishes as banchan.
Banchan.
Which means small side dishes served with rice. So next time when you go to Korean restaurant and if you want side dish more, you can ask, can I get more banchan please? Can I get more banchan please? But actually, more like served for rice. Which means basically they are just having for rice. Usually portion of a rice is 200 gram. One portion of side dish is between 25 to 30 gram. But why do Koreans need so many side dishes for one bowl of rice? To answer the question, we have to talk about history.
What? History? We used to play history subject at school all the time. And now, you teach history on YouTube?
Mom, please, this is on air.
Alright, that's your school at ESM.
Sorry, where are we? Right, so according to my research, from long time ago, size of Korean meal is decided by number of side dishes. Like 3, 5, 7, and 9, which is odd number, and 12 side dishes. 3 and 5 side dishes table is for poor or middle-low class people, served with rice, soup, and kimchi. You know kimchi is not a side dish in Korea. It's considered as the main food always. And 7 side dishes table is for middle or middle class people, and 9 dishes table is for VIP. And last 12 side dishes table is for king or emperor. That is why I always have 3 side dishes table. Cause I'm poor. 아이고. If you want to support me, please click like and subscribe. It's free like Korean side dish. But still, why Koreans have so many side dishes? Do Koreans really need that many side dishes? I think it is easy to understand if we compare with Western style dining. Usually Western meal has 3 courses, which is appetizer, main course, and dessert. Or more, like negotiation, with 7 to 9 dishes. And even on the main dishes, there will be steak, mashed potato, and seasonal vegetables. Salad. So altogether it can be
Appetizer, steak, mashed potato, salad, seasonal veggie, dessert.
already 6 foods. And if it's bigger course meal, like degustation, can be more than that. Banchan, the Korean side dish, is kind of put those foods on separate plate and have with rice. Simple!
Ooh!
So Korean style dining doesn't have course meal? Yes. Traditionally, only main meal and fruit or snack as a dessert. That's all. But what is good thing about this type of dining style? Now, here is the answer. It's freedom! For example, if you go to Western restaurant and have course meal, you usually have to finish the dish of each course before next course start, which means you only eat one dish at one time. But in Korea, you don't have to. There is no time limit because it's not course meal. You can choose whatever you want on the table and eat. There's no waiter coming and ask,
Are you ready for next course?
No. It's like, how to say, small buffet on your table. And also, here's another point we need to think about. Like Western style dining is designed to have one dish, which means you can taste one food at one time.
You only eat one dish at one time.
For chef, it's simple job to make one dish nicely. Not easy, but simple. But Korean style dining, every food you choose gonna mix it in your mouth. You can choose this side dish, or this and that side dish, or this and that side dish for one scoop of rice, and have different choice for next scoop. For Korean chef, it's not just one dish job, it's a whole table job. Have to consider the recipe for 3 to 12 dishes, matching and balancing each other at the same time, even with rice. Not just taste, also texture and heaviness, like meat dish and vegetable dish. Quite complicated. Headache. But once all the dishes prepared well, the taste of food just improved so much cause it's helping each other bring to next level, which I call art of mix. Mix, 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 mix. Now, you may try this Korean food, which name is bibimbap with meat and assorted vegetable. This is good example of art of mix in Korean cuisine, cause bibim means mix and bap is rice. See, even there's a mix in the name. I can say this food is small bowl version of Korean dining table. Put many side dishes on the rice and mix all together. And it must taste really good after mixed. As I said, matching and balancing. So that is why bibimbap is one of the well-known Korean dish all around the world. I know Korean cuisine is not easy, but that is why Korean food is crazy good. So today, I explain about side dish culture in Korean dining. Why Korean restaurants serve so many dishes even we didn't order. And also, art of mix, matching and balancing. If you like my video, if you want to support me, please click like and subscribe. It's free like Korean side dish. See you again in different video and have a nice day. Bye bye!